Thank you.
Lay the hammer down.
April 19th, and I'm taking my buddy Pete from Ohio out on a turkey hunt here in Michigan. I think this will be his first turkey ever. So, we're on our way. Wish us luck. Well, we're all set up. It's April 19th. Buddy Pete from the loser state of Ohio is here to try to shoot his first bird. We got him gobbling across the street right now. Pretty sure they flew out of the roost, so we got a decoy set up in front of us. I'm gonna try to call something in. Well, it's day 2. It's just day 2. Missed him.
I hit him.
I hit this one.
No, okay. Don't shoot. I hit this one.
You didn't act like you got hit.
Huh?
You didn't act like you got hit. You didn't flop or anything. Well, that might have been Pete's first turkey. At point blank range, we'll see what happens here. We're gonna slide out of the thing.
I'm ready.
Let's go. Gunner out. Go to where you shot first. Feathers.
We got feathers. We got blood. We got blood.
Oh jeez, yeah, this is blood. It's wad. Pete's right up there in the bushes.
Oh, no kidding. Look at that, buddy. Look at that.
Non-resident from Ohio.
Look at that.
First ever turkey. Got a beard on him? Oh yeah.
Oh,
nice job, buddy.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sweet. Last day,
Yes, sir.
Michigan. Last morning he's heading back. He got his bird. He was able to get the gun out the window and put the smack down on him.
Couldn't have done it without you, buddy.
Fun time.
Good morning. It's Tuesday, April 27th, and I'm heading out turkey hunting this morning. I am trying to kill this big old long beard that I've been chasing for a few days now. Really since opening weekend. Had a couple close encounters with him now, and I've been trying to get him with the compound. And, just haven't been able to get him close enough to take a good shot. So we'll see if I can make it happen this morning. I am bringing back up good old trusty 410 with me. I don't want to have to use the 410. I'd rather shoot him with the compound. but I don't want him to slip me up again, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully, I mean, I can have the compound with me, and hopefully it presents a good shot this morning, and that will be it. So let's go. Let's see what happens. Alright, so there's two gobblers in the woods right here across from me. I can't see them, but I know they're back in there, so I've got one decoy out here in front of me. A feeding hen. See if we can't call these boys in. Let's go. He's down. He is down. Oh, man. He was hung up right here behind my brush. He wouldn't break this brush line. And wasn't going to give me a shot with the bow. So got the old trusty 410 out and laid the hammer down to him. Finally. Well, finally got it done this morning. Came in, got all set up, brought the old trusty 410, had the bow with me. But yeah, he just wouldn't break past the brush line I had set up there. And he just kept strutting around and drumming and didn't want to come any closer. So I just couldn't stand it anymore. Had enough chasing this bird. Got tired of him outsmarting me, so pulled the gun out and let him have it. Dropped him right there, so couldn't be happier. Beautiful bird. Nice great big beard on him. Nice hooks. Just a beautiful morning in God's creation.